In this short video, we're going to be discussing nouns. Specifically, we'll be discussing examples of nouns. We'll be looking at nouns in sentences. We'll discuss some rules about how to locate nouns and also about the functions of nouns. So let's start with a definition of a noun. A noun is basically a word that describes a person, place, thing, or idea. So if we look at some basic examples of nouns, we have a couple here: student, teacher, college, textbook, graduation. These are all things, ideas, persons, places. Some academic examples: analysis, approach, benefit, environment, theory. So we can see these nouns are a little bit more complex. So let's take a look at a couple of sample sentences and try to identify the nouns in these sentences. So we have the first sentence: the motivated student studies English for several hours every day. The nouns in this sentence are student, English, hours, and day. Let's take a look at the second sentence. Researchers have found that students in college do not get adequate sleep. Where do we think the nouns are in this sentence? Researchers, students, college, and sleep are the nouns in this sentence. So we want to know where we find nouns in a sentence. So just by looking at this one sample sentence, we can pretty much come up with all the rules about where nouns can occur in a sentence. So our sentence is: the student studies English for hours every day. We have the student, so we know that nouns can come after articles or determiners. We have English, so we can say that nouns come after verbs. Hours, so nouns come after prepositions. And finally we have the noun day, so we can say that nouns come after adjectives. And finally, what are the functions of a noun? If we look at the sample sentence, the motivated student studies English for hours every day, we can see that we have the noun student. It's the subject of the sentence. We can see the noun English, which is the object of a sentence. And then we have hours, which is a noun that's in the preposition. So we can say that nouns functions as the object of the preposition. And then we have day, which comes right after every, and this every day functions as an adverbial phrase. So we can say sometimes nouns are part of an adverbial phrase.